Okay. So, both of them came today. One for opening, one for prepping, obviously. Since the mail just came, I was out here sitting anyway. Let's open it, shall we? Oh, nice. Comes with the bag I can use for water collection if I need to. Nice. Comes with... Okay, so first thing you'll see... Is this the first one? This should be the first thing. It comes with a cheapo little thing to put it in, which is nice. Okay. Okay. So, oh wow. Okay, first we'll see is an actual U.S. Shelby Co. thing. Second thing is a little cheapo knife of, you know. Okay. I'm trying to remember what all this went. Then you, oh wow, they gave me wet ones. What's this? You get a small little fork. Okay. Small, basic little small knife that you'll get in the little things. Then a spoon. Same type of thing. You get 3 of the things that say, you get 3 of these. Yeah, 3 of them. And 2 wet ones. No, 3 wet ones. I forgot. Okay. And then some, I don't know how many, but you get a lot of these, toothpicks. So, yeah. So yeah, I'm actually happy about this. It's cold outside, but you know, it's cold. This one right here. This right here. And this food right here. But that is, the one thing I'm really happy about is the US Shelby Co. P38. This is a mess kit, pretty much. So, yeah. And it went back in. Nice. And I do believe you can boil a little bit of water in this, since it's like an alkaloid tin anyway. So I'm going to go ahead and test that out pretty soon. Not right now, because it's like really rainy, and I'm going to do it when I can actually set up the tent. You know, right here. But this is actually bigger than I thought it would be. This is actually the first recording of this, because I see on YouTube. So yeah. It's Vigilant Trails. I knew you would get 3, what do we call it? Okay, there's a lot of things. There's Vigilant Trails. There's a USA company. I say this would be good for, since it's like a regular outdoor tin, it'd be good to boil water, cook in if you needed to. That's what I see anyway. Also, I have my tripod, my little tripod. I just want to test that out too, and it's looking pretty good actually. So, yeah, a little bit, but it's okay. So yeah, as you see, it's big enough, it's deep enough to where you can actually cook something if you needed to. Pretty cool. The bag is nylon or whatever this is. And I was actually not expecting this. You know, both of them came today, so that was pretty cool. Yeah, one for. Now I can tell you now, this is a outdoors type 10 anyway, so you'll be able to cook in it and do all that. So yeah, I'm thinking of like this, making a homeless loadout bag, like an actual bag, like okay, with blah 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 blah, and just try to do a survival thing for that. I'm trying to do more outdoor stuff. It does. Oh, it does have one of these things here. These I actually like. They're pretty easy to do. Yeah. So yeah, I just put the one for prepping in the prepping room. So yeah, this tripod is actually working really pretty good. Gotta do something like that. But this tripod really is working pretty good right now. So yeah. So there is the Vigilant Trails. I forgot what they call it. But it's the best kit. Look up Vigilant Trails, and when you see a picture of, like, you know, towel things and the, what do you call it, then you know you have it. Like, I saw this one because I was like, I'm the one thing I'm actually interested in is, you know, cooking. And I do believe you can cook something in there easily. Boil water in there. I'm gonna test the boil water out though. I gotta figure out how though. It is pretty chilly out here, by the way. But it's okay. I'll be back in the truck in a minute. Warming up. Anyway, give a thumbs up and all that. So this has been JYK's survival, EDC, and prepping on a budget. Peace, y'all.